Hey everyone, David C. Anderson here, coming at you from the Knife Center. If you've been waiting to snag a great deal on a Kershaw knife, you're in luck. We just marked a ton of great items down here at Knife Center. I've got a few of them, just a sample here in front of me. Let's take a look. So first, let's take a look at a couple items that are going to make great stocking stuffers. This Kershaw Shuffle would make a great gift. There's a bunch of different colors available. This one happens to be a sort of lime green with Kershaw's black washed finish. And this is more than just a little pocket knife. You've actually got a couple different extra features here, most notably that bottle opener, as well as a lanyard hole that also functions as a screwdriver. If you want a little more blade length than that Kershaw Shuffle, the Kershaw Robe is another inexpensive knife that would make a great gift. We have stonewashed 8CR13 MOV steel with a continuous curve to the edge, gives it decent edge holding and really efficient cutting thanks to that profile. Overall, this is a really solid EDC for a fantastic price that you're not going to beat. For something with a little more style, we have the GTC Malt Assisted Opener. Both this knife and the Rove feature Kershaw's Speed Safe Assisted Opening, which is very smooth, rockets the blade out very quickly, and is very reliable. Where this knife really shines is that it's got a ton of style for the price. The blade has compound grinds and a two-tone finish, sort of a matte finish here on the ground portions, and satin flats with a grind line running the length of the blade. Creates a lot of contrast, looks really great. And the angular shape of that blade is picked up in the handle, again with two-tone finish, and a blue backspacer and pocket clip for accent. Next up, we've got the Kershaw Leak, which is one of the greatest Kershaw designs of all time. We've got base models with 14C28N steel and various handle options, as well as both of these higher end versions. This first version features the classic stainless steel handles, but with a composite blade. The outer layers of this are 14C28 stainless steel, and the core of this is actually stonewashed CPM D2, offering greater toughness and edge retention than standard D2, and you've got a really nice copper line between the two layers, making it look fantastic and perform just as good. We've also got versions with carbon fiber handle scales and stonewashed CPM 154 blade steel. Offers another really great looking package with really high performance. This knife is lightweight, especially in this carbon fiber version, and it's a Ken Onion design and again features that famous speed safe opening. And one of the real cool things about these knives also is that these leaks are made in the USA. So if you like the carbon fiber look but don't want to spend quite that much money, we've got the Kershaw Matrix. There's a few different versions of this knife available, but this one features a blue-gray G10 handle with carbon fiber overlays. Unlike the rest of these flippers we've shown you so far, this is not a speed safe assisted opener. It actually features a KVT bearing pivot, proving that Kershaw is capable of doing that just as well. The hybrid style blade on this version is made of 8CR13 MOV with a ti-carbonitride coating. The other cool thing about the Natrix is it features Kershaw's patented sub-frame lock, which affords all the strength of a full titanium frame lock without the weight. Since only the lock bar is metal itself, it's anchored to the lighter G10 and carbon fiber scales. Rounding out this design are a deep carry pocket clip and a semi-floating backspacer for tons of style. Next up, we've got a US-made Kershaw that represents a heck of a bargain. This is the Dividend Assisted Flipper with M390 blade steel. Even at the regular price, you're getting a lot of knife for your money. That M390 steel offers great performance, insane amounts of edge retention, and the stonewashed finish on it looks great and will help minimize the appearance of scratches over time. You've also got nice aluminum handles on this version, and it carries very slim in the pocket, very lightweight, just an all-around excellent EDC for quite a price. So that's all I've got on the table in front of me, but we've got a ton of stuff over in our warehouse that's also marked down. These are some of the best prices you're gonna see all year. So if you wanna get your hands on any of these knives or see what else we've got for sale, click the link in the description below to head on over to KnifeCenter.com.